Hi
Hi
guys!
guys, welcome back to my channel, The Heart Family. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. If we post something new, you get notified. And you're wondering why I'm holding a leash. Our dog.
We are walking to our dog.
Michelle, the girl.
Yeah, she wanted to be kaka now. Doesn't matter. Kaka is nothing problem.
No, it's about it.
No. Michelle!
I almost put it in there.
Boom, 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 boom. Ela, she.
Michelle! Michelle! Michelle!
Don't carry her. She want to be kaka, baby.
Look, 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 look.
Kalak, 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 kalak.
Guys, don't you know if dogs they spinning around to find a place something, it means they're finding a place for where they can make privacy.
They can make privacy.
Privacy.
Privacy. Privacy.
Give me the leash. Give me the la. Give me the leash. Like la la la.
Don't touch. See. You're making something to kaka, baby.
Ew, what a kind of stone.
Okay.
Let's look at it.
Come here, Michelle. Come.
Come there. Come here. Come there. Come here. Come there. Come here. Come there. Come here. You're holding the camera, Mama, and holding the leash.
Be careful, huh? Be careful. Where are you, baby? Eto. Michelle,
The
come on.
wonderful garden.
She going up now. She want to make kaka now.
I remember the time that you spinning that.
Yeah.
Give me, Mama. Give me. Give
She
me,
doesn't
Mama.
want
Give
to
me.
go up because if you're holding the list, you didn't allow her to go up.
Do 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 Guys, guys,
Ella, maybe.
Mama, show the camera to me. Guys, if you want me to do my singing channel, so you will comment down below. If I get 100 million likes, I will do it. But if I don't, I'll not do it.
Ella.
So comment down below. On your TikTok, on your TikTok. She's like, don't touch me. Don't touch me, whip. Don't touch me, Mama. Don't touch me, whip.
Don't go
touch
there.
me,
It's a
bye-bye.
storm, huh? Storm. It's gonna be very thin.
Don't touch me, whip. Don't touch me, bye-bye.
Ella,
touch
she,
me, whip.
come on.
Whip. Touch me, bye-bye.
Oh, what are you
No,
doing?
there's a hole here.
Oh, no.
No.
What are you doing, Shula?
Don't touch me, whip. Don't touch me, bye-bye. Don't touch me, whip. Wait. Be careful, Mommy.
I know where is it.
Don't touch me, whip. Touch me, bye-bye. Don't touch me, whip. Whip. Don't touch me, bye-bye. Don't touch me, whip.
Come here, Michelle.
Are you serious, Cafe?
Michelle.
Bye-bye.
strong. She running. She bring me. My God, I almost pulled down you. I stand up.
Mama gonna come up here.
Yeah.
How?
Ella, slowly, slowly. Yee.
I need to hold this leash. Ah, I almost hold that. Don't touch me with. Don't touch. Mama, Michelle's not there. Can I go up there?
No, yeah.
Don't know us.
And
Don't
then
touch
Michelle,
me,
she come
babe.
to you.
Don't touch me, Baba.
After she ran away, she jumped there and aray ko.
Touch me, Baba. Mama, be careful.
I saw.
Peanut. Don't touch me, Baba. Touch me with. We're not going out right now. Don't touch me with. Guys, this is like a zip line.
Maraya, she big pisha.
Oh, kaka.
Big pisha only.
Pisha, kaka, pisha, kaka. She will make kaka at home now. Give me some tissue. Guys! So comment down below if I do a music video at Tagalog or in English. But if I get 100 likes, I will do it. But if I don't get, I'll not do it.
Come on, baby. Michelle. It's not there. Come on.
I need you guys to subscribe me and to like me so I can do the music video. Hey! Correct,
Baka.
Happen na, bite.
Ah, smelling fish. Kaka.
Lower.
She drop it down.
Lower. Mama, can I hold it?
Mm-hmm.
The guys. I'm here. I hold my mom's phone because like that.
Not like that.
So guys, are you actually interested to my music video or you don't want my music video? Because I really want to sing. I'm really good at singing. So better. Give a like. I need 900 likes. I changed my mind. I don't want 100. 900. We got 900 viewers, 900 likes. And also 900 subscribers. So I need a lot of subscribers to prove I'm famous. Guys, we're going somewhere else, like down the streets. We're gonna walk so far and you don't even know where we walk. And then we're walking back up. Not back up. We're walking here. Where the dog is walking, we have to follow the dog. But where the dog is not walking, we have to do whatever we want. Don't touch me, Whip. Don't touch me, Baba. Touch me, Whip. Whip. Don't touch me, Baba. Mama, I want it front, like this. Don't touch me, Whip. Don't touch me, Papa.
Michelle.
We're waiting for my dog to make poop. Poo-poo.
You're gonna miss the
Cuckoo.
You're gonna miss the
Poo-poo. Poop. What poo-poo? Now I understand. Guys, I'm a little bit of worried if my mom step on poop. Because we don't really step on poop. Oh, one flower for my dad. Nope, that's destroyed.
That is not your food. Yes, too much here. Hi.
Flies. Guys, we're going now. Mom, where are we gonna go far away? Whoa. Don't touch me, whip. Touch me, bye-bye. Don't touch me, whip. Whip. Me, bye-bye. Touch me, whip. I need to follow my mom. It's too much time with the camera because I have to hold you. I have to hold the camera.
Come on.
We're going now to the I want you in my room. Let's plan this up together, but now it took forever. Boom, 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 boom. I like you in my room. Let's plan this up ever. Now it took forever. Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. Let's plan this for together, but now it took forever. Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. I'm putting this up together, but now it took forever. Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. I'm putting this up together, but now it took forever. Only pisha, pisha, pisha. Nothing else. No caca. Ate, let's go, Mama, up.
Okay. So, Mama.
Mama, should I say bye to the guys? Bye, guys. Welcome back. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. If you post something new, you get notified. And don't forget to be nice to your family, nice to your friends, and nice to everybody. That's my new intro. When I'm saying bye. Bye.